If you want to start using Sellfy, you should click on the link in the description to create an account. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a digital product to your Sellfy store. So first, make sure you are on sellfy.com, and then on the left-hand menu, click on Products and then select Add Your Product to begin. From the product type options, choose digital product because this is perfect for files like PDFs, ebooks, music, or design templates. Click upload file and select the file you want to sell. Make sure the file is properly named and ready for download because Selfie supports multiple file formats, so you can upload zip files, images, audio, or PDFs and wait for the upload to complete. Now to add a product details, enter a catchy name for your product name, for example, Ultimate Lightroom Presets Pack, and for the description, write a clear and engaging description of your product, include its key features and benefits. And after that, set your desired price. You can also enable pay what you want, and if you want a customer to choose their own price. Lastly, you can add a thumbnail image or product preview. Use a high quality images to make your product more appealing. You can also enable preview files for customers to see a snippet of your content before purchase. And after that, once everything is set up, click the save and publish or the save product, and your product is now live and ready for customers to purchase. And that's it. That's how you add a digital product to your Selfie store. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.